4 days into ownership, and I'm already ordering car parts.
1 second.
It's not gonna be me first. Oh, we got a lip to install. Shit. Oh, I just gave it away. How you doing?
Doing all right. How about yourself?
Great. Great.
Is that a true Shelby right there?
Yes, it is.
How much horse has it got?
It's stock.
It's stock?
Yeah.
So it's around 600?
Yeah.
These cars are beautiful. They really are. My car's a sleeper, so it catches everyone off guard.
Yeah.
But these cars, fucking, they're gorgeous. Even though people give a lot of shit to Mustangs, like,
Right. Like,
they're beautiful cars. I like them more than, like, the look is just amazing.
I know, I love it. I just got it, so yeah.
Right on.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Burn those tires off and get some new ones.
Yeah, we'll see about that. Thank you.
Of course, welcome.
Well, this ain't mine. It's my mom, so. Alright, dude. You ready to install this lip? Alright, come on. Now, this right here is something that should have came with the car. But it didn't. Now this right here is like a 3-piece lip, so to say. Three pieces. With the main one right here. You'll see when it's on the car. I just need to read these instructions right quick.
Probably, dude. It's just slow.
Yeah, surprisingly, it's stock. That's stock height. And I'm trying to put lowering springs on it. That shit gonna be low. This is the first time I'm reading instructions, so. 1, raise the vehicle. Done. Check.
I had no idea it's gonna be this nice this way.
I know. Is it like that?
Yeah, that's right.
Yep. There you go.
Cop.
Like that.
Ooh.
Look good?
Ooh.
Yeah.
Starting
to come together.
Yeah.
Can you hand me 2 of the fasteners? Because it's starting to.
Install the fastener to secure in place.
There. And the last piece. I'm barely gonna do any exterior mods after this. Just tint and lowering springs. And then we're gonna make it fast. I wish that came with the car, but it's alright. It looks good. I like it. A little bit?
Just a little bit.
It's alright.
Looks.
That looks dope! Hold on, let me move all this shit. Oh shit. It looks good, dude.
Yeah, it looks clean, dude.
let's take it around the block.
Let's go.
Gonna take Adrian for a little ride. Hasn't ridden the Shelby.
What's good?
Appreciate the help, G.
I got you, bro.
Yeah, this is my guy, man. We go way back, G. Since what, 5th grade?
5th grade, dude.
4th grade? Nah, I think I met you 5th grade.
Yeah, middle school, bro.
Yeah, middle school, and then we lived in the same apartments, and then we've been best friends, man. It's been a while, dog.
It's been a minute, bro.
All right, well, let's get it. Little pull that we did right there.
It's lit, dude.
It's lit. I'm telling you, it's so smooth. It's just because it's stock, but when I tune it and add some shit, it might get
I
a
felt
little.
the G's.
I felt the G's, man.
The G's.
It's got some Chick-fil-A. You already know. Wow. Yep. This is how the car should have came. Woo! Shit. Alright, yo, I'm gonna end this video right here. In this spot right here. My high school's right there. High school I graduated from. This is the free parking lot that you can park if you don't have a student parking pass. And you would walk all that hill to get to class. And this is where I used to park. And now I'm back. 3 years later. And it feels so weird. And that background looks amazing. Damn, man, I never thought I'd be back here with this car, staring at that high school. I used to sit on top of that hill right there and just be like, damn, man, one day, I'm gonna be driving this and doing this for a living. So I appreciate everyone's support. Thank you so much for commenting on the videos and on my Instagram and Snapchatting me. And I appreciate everything, man. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoy the lip. It was a thing that was missing on the car. I'm gonna go ahead and take some pictures now and just really capture this moment. So this is me and the Shelby. This is not the only modification that I ordered, so when I get to Houston, I'm gonna be expecting 2 little packages, and they are performance modifications. Comment down below, take a guess on what the Shelby's first modification is gonna be. Alright, y'all, thank you so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up. Peace out. I'll see you tomorrow.